Namaskar to everyone. Today we will learn about Jhulana Lurhakanasana, rocking and rolling pose. Let's practice. As the name suggests, Jhulana means swing back and forth. Lurhakana means rolling side to side. Let's practice. Practice 1. Lie flat on the back. Bend both legs to the chest. Interlock the fingers of both hands and clasp them around the shins just below the knees. This is the starting position. Roll the body from side to side 5 to 10 times, touching the sides of the leg on the floor. Breathing pattern. Exhale while rolling to the one side. Inhale while returning to the center. Exhale while rolling to the other side. Awareness on the coordination of the movement. Practice note: use a thick mat or a folded blanket for this practice so that there is no possibility of causing damage to the spine. Practice 2. Sit in the squatting position with the buttocks just above the floor. Interlock the fingers of both hands and clasp them around the shins just below the knees. Rock the whole body backwards and forwards on the spine. Try to come into squatting position on the feet when rocking forward. While rocking back, the head should remain forward. Be careful not to hit the head on the floor. Breathing pattern. Inhale as you roll backwards. Exhale as you come forward. Practice 5 to 10 backwards and forward movements. Awareness on the coordination of the movement. If it is difficult to perform with the hands clasped on the shins, then hold the side of the thighs near to the knees. Benefits: this asana massages the back, buttocks and hips. It is also helpful in making the spine flexible. It is most useful if done first thing in the morning after waking. Contra-indications. Do not practice this asana if suffering with high blood pressure, heart disease, pain in hip and knee joints, severe back pain, slip disc, sciatica, testicle disorders during menstruation, hernia, pregnancy, recent surgery in abdomen or spine. Apart from this, in case of suffering with any health-related problems, please consult with the doctor and yoga teacher. Wishing you a good health and happiness. Have a nice day. Thank you.